What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about the Tesla Cybertruck. Oh, look what came in today. Let's take a look. Alright, first thing I want to mention is check out this sweet hat. It is from Best Coast Burritos, and I appreciate you guys sending it to me. I look forward to one day getting up to San Fran or up into the Northern California area to check out the burritos. I've heard they are fantastic. So if you guys are in the Northern California area, check out Best Coast Burritos. They're supposed to be really good. Let's get to it. See what we got today. A lot of packaging. And the truth is, I already went through this, so it's not wrapped like it was. All right, see what we have here. No, it's not a spoiler, but hopefully that's coming soon from RPMTesla, a performance spoiler for the Model Y. But this is, as you guys know, well, you may not know actually if you don't follow me on Twitter, but on Twitter a few weeks ago, I mentioned that I bought, instead of wrapping my center console, I decided to get some pieces that actually stick down to the center console for the Model Y. And I wanted to do that. I just wanted to do something different. On all three of my other Model 3s, I wrapped them with wrap. Basically, it was a matte black, deep matte black is what I used. Deep matte black from 3M. And I had it wrapped every time. I tried to do it myself on my first Model 3, and I did a terrible job. There was like creases in the corners and on the dash, and it looked terrible. So to me, you just need a professional to do it right. There's a lot of good companies that are selling wraps out now. I just wanted to do something different. So I talked to Mark over at RPMTesla. They sell these pieces that just stick onto the center console, and they look fantastic. It was super easy to install, and if I had to do it over again, my other three Model 3s, I would have done the same thing. I would have put the pieces on there. I don't think they were around them, but I would have done the same thing. Well, as you know, I have to get rid of that old man wood dash, even though, like I said, I'm an old man. I'm not that old. I'm not even 50 yet. So, but I had to get rid of that dash, the wood grain. So, also, what he sent is a matte black dash piece. I don't know if you can really see it. Try to get it close. It looks fantastic. It looks so good. So in this video, I'm not going to show you guys, I'm not going to do an install video. There are plenty of those out there. Actually, Mark has one from RPMTesla. They did a fantastic job doing their install video. What I want to do is just install it, and then I want to show you guys what it looks like once it's installed. I'll link to Mark's video where they did the installation video. That way, if you guys want a detailed installation video, it's there. That's not what this is. I just wanted to highlight the product because to me, it looks really, really good. When I tested it out earlier and I looked at it, it's going to look fantastic. So I'm super excited. So let's go show you what it looks like. Alright, the first thing I want to show you guys are the pieces for the center console. Like I said, these are all from RPMTesla, and I will put a link to all the items in the description of the video below. But I never did any video. I posted on Twitter and I posted some pictures, but I never did any video of the center console. So let me show you what those look like. what I really like about the center console pieces are that it's just super easy to install. I mean, it's way easier than the wrap. And all you do is pull off the sticky adhesive on the back, the 3M double-sided tape, and it's the same exact double-sided tape that they use on the Performance Model 3 spoiler on the rear to attach the spoiler. It's not going anywhere. So I've been super happy. I installed it probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it still looks fantastic. But now, let's look at the dash. It matches the center console. And I apologize, it's got some tape on the dash, but that's just to hold it on for, I think it's 72 hours. You have to put it on there just to hold it down. But here, I'll try to get you some up-close shots of it. We got rid of the wood dash. It's awesome. So I don't know what you guys think, but to me those products look fantastic. RPM did a great job on these. To me they look stock. People that don't know, they would never know that the products that are on there aren't stock. To me the car looks stock. It looks way better in my opinion. They did a great job on the center console piece. It's not a fingerprint magnet, it's a satin black. It has a little bit of a sheen, but not much. But satin black is just like a lot of the chrome deletes you see that have satin black. And it actually matches the chrome delete that's on the Model Y really well. But also on the dash, I was worried at first. I was worried when I first put it on that some of the wood grain was going to show through. But as you guys can see on the video, there's no wood grain showing through. It looks fantastic. Just make sure you follow the installation videos that Mark and his team did. And if you follow that, you're not going to have any problems. But to me, both products look absolutely great. I apologize that I can't show you a final product. You know, it's still got the tape on the dash. But if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, just look up my name on Twitter and I'll post pictures of it once I take it off, and I think it's 72 hours I have to leave it on. But once I take that tape off, I'll put pictures up on Twitter and you can see what it looks like. But it's going to look really good. I can already tell based on the way it looks right now. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I will link all the products down in the description and check them out. I think they did a fantastic job with it, and I think you guys will be happy with it too. So hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys on the next one. Take care. They are fantastic.